What's up, y'all? It's Ker-Leen. Thank you so much for tuning back into Lemomlife. So today I'm styling my toddler's hair. This is my 2-year-old Giselle Fleur, and per the request of Autumn Momma, thank you so much, girl, for this request, I am doing a hair tutorial. So this was a little bit before wash day, and her hair is kind of dirty here. You will see a little bit of buildup as I apply product throughout the video, but I wanted to give her a quick style because we had some things to do. So what I'm doing is kind of like a side braid, and then I'm doing some twists on the other side. So I wanted to give her something that flowed and hanged and that can swing. She can swing her hair. So you guys will see how it turns out. So what I'm doing here is I'm parting her hair. And let me tell you, parting my child's hair is the hardest thing ever. Her hair is rarely ever parted correctly if you look closely, because it's just too much for me to get her to sit still enough to do that at this age. So I do the best that I can, and what you saw is I used a rat tail comb and I parted her hair. I don't manipulate her hair a whole lot. I do kind of do a detangle because that helps the twists look better, but with this side I barely manipulated the side. And with both of my kids, that's my rule of thumb: low manipulation. They have 2 different hair types, and I could technically get away with more manipulation on Giselle's hair, but I like to just follow the same rule for both of them, and their hair has been just beautiful and healthy and thriving. So now we are on to the next part, and in this part I will be twisting. So I'm doing kind of a triangle part, and you'll see what I mean by that, but I basically part it in the shape of a triangle, and I do bigger twists at the back, and then when I get to the front, the twist gets smaller. What you see me doing is detangling from the bottom going up. So I always comb or brush their hair starting from the tips, and I work my way up to the roots. And the product you saw in the beginning of this video is amazing. I love it so much. It's the Alafia hair and body lotion. This is the strawberry scent, I believe, and it gives me enough slip to be able to detangle with a comb. That's saying a lot. So I love it. We use it all the time for their hair and their body. It's gentle enough to use on their face as well. I would highly recommend it. I'll put it in my description box for you guys. Now, I'm no hairstylist, but I think this turned out pretty nice, and it was fairly simple to do, and it lasted a few days. So it's a really easy style. I think that you guys will be able to replicate it without a problem. You can even do braids instead of twists. I just don't have time to take out braids. So I prefer twists because they're easy to take out when I need to wash your hair. And what you see me doing here is applying some clips. And you guys know how clips are in style now for like grown people. I thought it'd be cute to use 2 of her clips on the side with that cornrow that's on the side there. So this is the final result. Look at her. She looks so cute. She's just swinging her hair. And I can tell she loves when I do her hair. Not while I'm doing it, but after. She loves it. She goes and looks at herself in the mirror. And it just looks so good. And it was so easy to do. So if you enjoyed this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The next video will be on your screen for your viewing pleasure, so click it to keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.